Welcome back. Got a new fuel filter, or excuse me, fuel pump. So just getting the lines off of this one while I wait for Jeremy to get here. So we're gonna, I don't know what order we're gonna be doing things, but we've got to fix the yoke seal still and change out the fuel pump. I'd like to do the fuel pump first. I'm gonna probably do that, because if we change out this fuel pump, then we can try again to get it running. I just so bad want this to set and idle under its own power, drawing from the gas tank rather than little spurts pouring fuel into the carburetor. So impatient maybe, I don't know, but we'll see what we do here. I did not get a new can gasket yet, so we're still gonna run that rubber inner tube for tonight. But yeah, hopefully we'll get the fuel pump swapped out and fire this thing up tonight. Jeremy should be here anytime, so stick around. We'll see what we get to tonight. Well, that was exciting. Got the fuel pump swapped out and got it fired up, and it actually continued to run on its own, drawing from the fuel tank. So those of you who are doing this, you know that was huge, and I'm pretty stoked right now, honestly. I'm so excited. I didn't clean off the ends of the fuel lines good enough, so there was a little bit of leaking. So I'm going to pull those back off another day, take the wire wheel to them, clean off those threads, get some thread sealer in there again, and make sure I've just got them good and clean before I put them back on there, because obviously you don't want fuel leaks around your hot manifold. So there's still work to be done, but that was exciting. That was really exciting. That's the first time this motor has sat and run, other than what you've seen us pouring a little bit into the carburetor to get it to run. But to set and idle and hands off run on its own, it's been a while, and it's been a long time coming, man. I'm so stoked right now. So we still have some leaks to take care of, clean things up. So it ran, and like I said, it ran, and now it's time to see. Like I said, the fuel leaks. I see a little bit of a coolant leak right here. I don't know if you can see down here as far, but I kept the metal elbow to keep it more original, but it's leaking right there. So I may try to get that to stop leaking, or just replace it with one piece of hose. There's 2 more points of failure in that. I like this. I like the look, and I like the originality of it, and having that little metal elbow in there, but it ain't really practical. Like I said, adding 2 more points of failure, points of leaking. It already has 1 leak, so we'll see. I don't know if there's... I mean, I got the hose clamp on there good. I don't really understand why it's leaking. It's brand new hose, so it ain't cracked or anything. So we'll take a look at that. We'll take a look at the fuel leaks. Jeremy didn't make it over, so I didn't bother working on that yoke. So that should be pretty easy fix as well. So then I've got to get a new canister gasket. So I have a fuel leak, I have a coolant leak, I have an oil leak. Got it covered. Then yeah, man, I'm so excited right now. Can't wait. Can't wait for the next steps. That was so huge, getting to stand back and not feed the carburetor, but to stand back and see it run. Man, I feel like a little kid on Christmas morning almost. Whew. Alright, I'm going to call it a night. More big news coming. You'll have to stand by for that. Some change coming. But yeah, like I said, I'm going to call it a night. So if you don't mind subscribing, give me a like on the channel. It helps a lot. And love to see the comments, man. Comment, good, bad. Hopefully you're not going to be too mean, but as I've said before, I'm not a professional mechanic. I'm just a guy who likes to do what I can. So having a lot of fun doing this, figuring some things out along the way. Just bringing you along for the ride, not showing you how to do it, how I'm doing it. But so yeah, leave a comment. I reply to every single comment. If it's just a hey, nice video, it's a thanks for watching kind of thing. But if you got questions or comments, I'll definitely reply to them. I'm gonna quit rambling. Thanks for watching.